So a lot of you keep asking this question, that how I stopped fearing from grammar and how you can do it too. So to tell you the secret, I was scared of grammar, very scared in fact at times. So tenses, prepositions, verbs, all of them confused me at times. So whenever I used to open the grammar book, the sleep mode gets activated. To be honest, sometimes I really felt stupid that grammar isn't that difficult. Why am I facing the challenge? I thought maybe I'll never learn English, maybe it isn't for me. But one day something happened. Something really small but powerful. And that tiny moment changed everything for me. Today, I really want you all to know that story, because if I could do it, then you can do it too. So let's begin and get on this journey together. I remember the school days clearly. My English teacher always said that in order to speak well, you must know the grammar rules. Please learn the grammar rules properly. Nothing is beyond that. If you want to speak good English, grammar rules are must. But the rules were about past perfect, past perfect continuous, future continuous, so many big names, so many pages to memorize, and I couldn't do it. Though I memorized everything before the examination, but forgot everything right after. And trust me, it happened every time. So I felt like a failure. So gradually I stopped trying. I thought grammar was not made for me. It is only made for smart people who could use it while speaking. But deep in my heart, I still wanted to learn. I didn't want to give up. I wanted to speak English fluently, with proper accent, with proper grammar, but simply didn't know how. And that very one day, something unexpected happened. I went to a library book to look for a storybook. In the corner, I saw a man reading a grammar book with a smile. Not serious face, but there was a gentle, soft smile on that person's face. I was shocked and I asked that person, "Do you really enjoy grammar?" He looked at me and said something that I will never forget in life. He said that yes, I enjoy because I don't study grammar, but I play with it. And I said, "Play with grammar? Seriously?" So he replied that I learn it with fun, with examples and with real stories. I am not focusing on rules. That one idea lit a spark inside me. So that one day, I didn't open a grammar book. Instead, I picked a notebook and wrote, Day 1, simple present sentences. I wake up at 8 a.m. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I sleep at 10 p.m. That's it. Day 2, I wrote sentences made out of simple past tense. I woke up. I brushed my teeth. I ate breakfast. I went to work. I slept at 10 p.m. No big rules, just my real life in English. And suddenly, grammar didn't feel that scary. It felt simple. It actually felt doable. And after that, I started talking to myself in English. Yes, really, I started talking to myself in proper English every day. I asked myself, what did I do today? I went to the market, I bought apples, I cooked lunch, I watched cartoons with subtitles. I paused the video, I repeated the lines, I matched the emotion, I copied the rhythm, and slowly my English started getting better. I made mistakes, in fact a lot of them, but I did not give up this time. I did not cry. I realized that every mistake is a small teacher. I didn't study 10 hours a day. I did not join any expensive classes. I just learned one small thing about grammar every day. One grammar point, one example, and one real life sentence. And in 3 months, I could use tenses. And in 6 months, I started speaking confidently. And in 1 year, grammar became my friend. Following that, I met the building blocks of grammar, the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, preposition, conjunctions, and interjections. I did not memorize them again, but I started playing with them. Like this silly sentence. Wow, the red dog jumped on the table and barked loudly. That one sentence used 7 parts of speech. It became a game and grammar again became fun. So, all the pretty learners out there, you don't need to make it complicated. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be curious. Grammar is not just for exams, but it's all about expressing yourself in a proper way. Start with simple sentences. For present, I eat rice, I go to work. Past, I ate rice, I went to work. For future, I will eat rice, I will go for work. That's it, you're learning already. Make grammar your friend. Talk to yourself, watch shows with subtitles. If in case you like anything in the show, any statement, any word, pause it and repeat it in a way that has been said right in your television. Use grammar in your own life in the simplest manner possible. And when someone says grammar is difficult and boring, just smile. Because grammar is not your enemy. It is your superpower. If I, a scared, confused, and shy student, could learn grammar, then you can too. Just take a small step today and one more tomorrow. And one day, if someone asks you, how did you manage to learn grammar? Just smile and say, let me tell you a story. If this story inspired you, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and comment below what is your grammar struggle. Let's grow together and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.